Hello guys, and welcome to another video where I'm sharing my Shakepay journey of earning free Bitcoin daily with Shakepay, with the Shaking Sats feature on Shakepay, which is basically where you shake your phone daily just to get free Bitcoin. Now I wanted to start off by sharing this post on Reddit because this person has been doing this, basically shaking their phone every day on the Shakepay app and earning free Satoshis. And so far, they've earned 1,825 Satoshis. That's a total. Sorry, not 1,825 Satoshis. My bad. They've been on a 1,825 day streak. In other words, they've been shaking their phone consistently daily for 1,825 days. And in that time period, they've accumulated 3,018,743 Satoshis over a 5 day span. Five year span, because it says half a decade shake anniversary. So that's 5 years they've been doing this. So let's see what that looks like in terms of figures, right? So this is a Satoshi converter. I found this on just a Google search, and if you're interested in using it, it's on walletinvestor.com. So what was the figure? 3 million, what was it again? 3,018,743. 3,018,743. Is that correct? Yes, that's correct. And let's convert that to Canadian dollar. I'm just making sure the amount is right. So let's just give it a second and let's see what we're working with here. Remember, this person accumulated this just by shaking their phone. And they've accumulated, that's equivalent to 4,794 Canadian dollars in 5 years just by shaking your phone daily. You see right there? 3,018,743 Satoshis equals to 4,794 dollars 19 cents Canadian dollars just by shaking your phone daily on Shakepay. Now, why am I kicking myself? Because I've been with Shakepay since December 2021, but I never took this shaking sats thing seriously. I never took it seriously, and it's not until I started seeing these type of stories that I started taking it seriously. So if you're seeing my video for the first time, or you've been following this journey, I just wanted to use that as an example of what's possible when you join Shakepay and you start using the shaking sats to build your streak and earn free daily Bitcoin. Now, if you want to join Shakepay and you haven't already, you do need a referral. My referral link will be in the description of this video, so you can use my referral link to sign up, get verified. In fact, when you buy your first $100 worth of crypto on Shakepay, you will get a bonus $20 cash in your cash balance, which you can either withdraw, spend on your Shakepay Visa card, or use it to buy more Bitcoin, whatever you want to do with it. So if you do want to join Shakepay to start your shaking sats journey, my link will be in the description of the video. I'm currently on a 19-day streak. I haven't shaken today. I'm going to shake in this video. In fact, let's do that now. So when you shake, you get this pop-up. So we're now on a 20-day streak. We got 80 sats today, which is when we now have accumulated a total of 2,524. It's a long way away from that 3 million mark, but you know, we're going to get there one shake at a time. Because think about it. Even if you're saving, let's say you have 10,000 in your bank account and you left it in the bank for 5 years. Do you think you would make $5,000 interest on that amount? You wouldn't, would you? Even if you have $20,000, $50,000, you wouldn't make $5,000 interest in the span of 5 years. But just by shaking your phone on Shakepay, it's possible. If you can maintain your streak, that is. If you don't break your streak and you're consistent, because you have to do it daily. If you miss a day, it resets back to 1 and you have to start from scratch. See, that's the caveat. But if you're able to remain consistent, it's possible. I just shown you it's possible. So don't miss out on the free money. Join Shakepay today and get shaking. Like I said, I'm kicking myself, but better late than never. We started now, we're on day 20, and we want to join that 1,000 day streak, 1,000 day streak Coma Club. They call it the Coma Club. In fact, when you hit 365 days, which is 1 year, you become a part of the 365 Club and you get this merch. I think you get a hat and these stickers. And then they also have what you call the Coma Club. This is the Reddit page, by the way. I recommend checking it out. Trying to find that merch. Okay, there's this one is also called, there's also a feature called Shakepay where you get reimbursed an amount you spend with your Shakepay Visa card. You get the Visa card once you're signed up. So sometimes you're lucky and they just refund your money from something you purchased. So this person got refunded their $5.59 from an undefined purchase. So we don't know exactly what they bought, but sometimes it tells you what they bought. I've seen one where an Uber trip, somebody's Uber trip was reimbursed. So this is another 365 day member. This one is a shake pill. When you refer 5 people, you get this. I've done it. I've requested my merch, but I know they're discontinuing it. But I requested mine before they said they were discontinuing. So hopefully I still get my shake pill. And this is the Coma Club merch. So after 1,000 day streak, you get this cool sweater to show that you're now part of the elite club of people who have been shaking their phone consistently for free Bitcoin for 1,000 plus days. So, yeah, get on Shakepay, man. Like, don't leave money on the table. It's free. This is literally free Bitcoin. So even if you didn't want to buy Bitcoin, you can literally earn Bitcoin just by getting on Shakepay, using the Visa card, activating your Shakepay Visa card. Every time you spend using your Visa card, you also get cashback bonuses. If you join a Shake Club, there's also a Shake Squad where you and some buddies can start a Shake Squad. And every time, in fact, this is an example, one person needed to complete a Shake Squad. So anytime, invite 4 others to your Shaker Squad, and everyone will get 42 bonus Satoshis whenever a member of your squad uses Shakepay, whenever you pay for something with your Visa card, right? So it could be stuff you already pay for, groceries, coffee, whatever. And every time somebody in your squad uses it, everybody gets rewarded with bonus Satoshis. In addition to that, you saw the Shakepay, where you can be lucky enough to get your cost of purchase reimbursed. But the one consistent one is the shaking sats, where you just literally shake your phone every day, and you've seen what's possible with that. So get on Shakepay today. Like I said, my referral link will be in the description of this video, because you do need a referral to be able to join and use those features and get earning your free daily Bitcoin Satoshis on Shakepay. Alright, thank you for checking out this video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like the video if you've enjoyed it. And leave me a comment. Are you already on Shakepay? Are you planning to get started after you've seen this? Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know. Alright, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless. Peace.